Hey YouTuber, Rick from Rick's RC and more. A little bit of a mess going on the bench here right now. So I've got the SCX24 here. I've decided to relocate the white bumper LEDs up into the headlights. I need to extend this wire, obviously, to run down the body, down to the hinge point, and then up to the receiver. I didn't want to have to cut this guy just to solder. So I grabbed a JST plug, the male end, and it actually fits in there perfect. It clips right into the little two-prong servo end or receiver end. So I can just solder off of it and add in my this is a dead servo wire I just cut off, and I just removed the one wire so I can solder these ends to the JST plug, and I'll have kind of a plug and play deal. So if I do want to remove the wiring, then all I'll have, I can just unplug from there and then leave the LED lights in there. And I ordered some 3mm ambers to put in the bumper. Something got messed up with my order. It didn't come. It looks like I'm going to have to reorder it. I'm just kind of waiting to make sure that I'm refunded for the cancel order. Today also, so far, I've also removed the reservoirs off the ends of the shocks just to take some top end weight off, and I put some grease in the shocks to get rid of the bouncy. Give it a little bit of a resistance. So we'll continue on here and show you the end result once I'm finishing everything up. Alright, so here's the end result. Got the JST plug soldered. Then my plug-in for the ESC receiver / combo. So now I just have to run the wire and mount everything up. You may have been wondering why I had a candle going there as well. I do have a heat gun. It's in the shop just for shrinking the shrink tubing. It's good to have a candle. You can just kind of rotate it over it and it'll shrink them up nice. Just a little tip there: if you don't want to sit there holding a lighter, if that's all you've got, just light up a candle and you should be able to get enough heat to shrink up that shrink tubing. While I'm tidying up here, I just thought I'd show you my finished mini arbor press. This is the finished product of my school project. Now, when you make these at the school, this is your finished project here. They have you drill and ream this hole for the tooling for different sizes, whether or not you're pressing bearings on shafts, different size shafts, whatnot. I made this separate at work, and then I also drilled out another hole at the side here, as if you actually seen one of these arbor presses. I'll have these on here so you can just rotate to whatever size opening you need, and then you can press on it. And then they have the have it so you can run this die in the side too and rotate it and press what you need. Anyway, I just thought I'd, while we're down here working away, I just thought I'd show everybody that. That's level 2. If you're an apprentice for a millwright, that's your level 2 shop project. If you're, depending on what school you're going to. Alright, so have the wires run. I'll have to do some body mounting there, but yeah, now have functioning headlights, nice and bright. Got the wiring set up so you can fully hinge back your body to work on it, and ran the wiring underneath down along the frame there with a couple of little zip ties, nice and neat. So yeah, if you pick up one of these trucks and you want actual functioning headlights, when you run the LEDs into these light buckets, it does put a little bit of pressure on the stickers. Let me turn them off here. And kind of just pushes out on the stickers a little bit. But it didn't seem to break the stickers or anything like that. So yeah, pretty neat. Turn them back on here. So yeah, if you got the materials laying around, it's kind of a free mod. Little tip there for you. Everybody, get out, enjoy your RCs.